Here's how to delete your YouTube account. We're going to look at both computer and the YouTube app on both iPhone and Android. I'll show you how to delete the account no matter what device you're on. Let's get started on desktop. So here we are. We're in Safari browser. You could be in Chrome. It doesn't matter. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to find your profile icon. So when we click on that, we're going to find Google account right here. And this is where you need to click to start, because what we're actually doing is essentially deleting our Google account. And to delete our Google account, it's going to delete across all of the Google services. So your YouTube account is going to be deleted, your Drive account, your Gmail account, all of that will be deleted. Now, there is a way to delete just specific Google services. I'll show you that as well. We're going to start by going to search in our Google account, and we're going to search for delete, and we'll find delete your Google account right here, and also delete a Google service. We'll start with delete your Google account. When we click on that, we're probably going to have to verify it with our password. After you've typed that in, just go click on next. And so for deleting your Google account, here's what it's going to be. At the very top, you can download your data. So you can download all the different data. It's called Google Takeout, and that's a whole nother process, but you essentially can select everything and download it. And then down here, it'll show you everything that's going to be deleted, all the access to the different Google services, YouTube, etc. And then down here, you can basically acknowledge both and then click on delete account. So that will completely remove your YouTube account as well as any channels associated with that account under that email. Now, if you want to, you can delete Google services. So if we go back to this and we start typing in delete, you're going to see delete a Google service. And what you can do here is essentially delete a service specific without deleting your entire Google account. So you can delete YouTube right here. It probably just deletes your YouTube channel. It may delete the actual YouTube account. You'll see here that it says Google offers many services. So some of these can be deleted from your account individually. So if you want to, you can delete YouTube from here if that works out the way you want it to. But if you want to get rid of your whole account, then the first way is how to do it. Now, if you're on mobile, inside of the YouTube app in the lower right-hand corner, we've got our profile picture. When we tap on that, we can go up to the top in this drop-down. It says accounts. Now from inside of here at the bottom, you're going to see manage your Google account. So we can tap on that. And then inside of here, we're going to have a search in the upper right, and we could do the same search for delete. And it's going to pull up the same results. Delete your Google account or delete a Google service. Take your pick. Delete Google account. We'll just go to that one first. And you'll see here that it's going to have us log in and verify it's us again. So after you've entered in your password, it's going to take you to the delete your Google account page. Same thing, download data, shows all the different services you're going to lose access to because you're deleting your whole account. Check mark both of these and hit delete account there at the bottom. If you want to just delete a service, you can go to the delete Google service page. On Android, it's going to be remarkably similar. In the lower right-hand corner, we've got our profile image, so we tap on that. In the upper left, we have accounts, tap on that. And from inside of here, we have manage your Google account. Now, one thing to keep note of is your Google account may be connected to your Android phone. So if this is like your device account, you probably don't want to delete your entire account, I'm guessing, unless you're trying to actually remove this account and also remove it from your phone. So we're going to go search. We're going to go search for delete once again, probably going to make us sign in once again to confirm it's us. We go to delete your Google account. And after you sign in and verify it's you, you're back on the same page where you can delete your Google account. Read it carefully, and at the bottom, check mark both and hit delete account. Remember, this is not probably what you want to do if it is your phone's account. So you're going to be logged in to YouTube on that account if it's on your phone, on your Android device. But there's other ways, you can maybe delete that YouTube as a service. You could probably just switch accounts if you want to instead of deleting it. But that's some options, and that's how you can delete your account, your YouTube account on computer, iPhone, and Android. If this helped you out, please leave a like on this video so it gets out to more people. Comment if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next one.